Bore da, good morning. It's great to share some fantastic news with you all once again. Today, we're standing here at the brand new children's park at James's Field in Britain Ferry. This play area can cater for up to 42 children and features some fantastic new equipment, along with an improved kickabout area. The park is designed with everyone in mind, providing not only a place for fun and play, but also a space where the community can come together. I want to extend a personal thanks to the contractors who worked quickly to make this project happen in such a short time frame. It really is a great effort and adds to the work already completed in Victoria Gardens in Neath, Hunters Ridge in Tonna, Mount Pleasant at Hillside and Parc Newydd in Carmarthen and Port Talbot Memorial Park.
It's also really important to mention our Council Grant Advisory team, and in particular I want to highlight the incredible dedication and hard work of two outstanding individuals, Paul Hinder and Eloise Stanton, who brought these plans to life. Your commitment has helped create a wonderful space for children to play, explore and create lasting memories.
This park is a community asset and I'm sure it will be cherished by everyone in Britain Ferry. We hope the park will make a positive impact on the lives of many and bring joy and laughter to our residents for years to come. Next up in our towns, valleys and villages is the park on the Cymla Common, the Tollgate Park in Mae'r and Aberafan seafront, providing yet more safe and enjoyable spaces for children and families across Neath Port Talbot.